Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Fakur Alam Shojib. Welcome back to our Java programming series. This is Java tutorial 15. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use do while loop in Java. We will learn the difference between while loop and do while loop. First, I am copying this to convert it as do while loop. To comment out, Control Shift C. Now we will print 10 to 1 using do while loop. We have already seen how to print 10 to 1 using while loop in Java tutorial 14. First, save the project, run the project. Ten to 1. We are getting the same result. Then why should we learn do while loop, right? Do while loop is similar to while loop. However, there is a difference between them. In while loop, condition is checked before the executions of do's body. But in do while loop, condition is checked after the execution of loop's body. That means the loop always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false, because the statement is executed before the condition is tested. Let's check. First I am giving the 11 here. Save the project. Now pause the video, write the output in the comment section. I will check. Do not cheat. Okay. Before checking the output, first we will debug to better understand. Just click here. Debug the project. Press F8 to go to the next line. Press F8, then it will be executed. Look here. 10 now. Count. Value of count is 10. 10. Count is 10 because this line is executed. Now press F8 to go to the next line. Now it becomes count is now 9. If you hover your mouse, you can see that count is 9. 9 is not greater than 11 and 9 is not equal to 11. That means these statements will not be printed anymore. This is because the condition is false now. Before pressing F8, look at here carefully. Press F8. See, it does not enter here. Press F8. Now we'll get the output. Press F8. See, count is 10. That means the loop will always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false. This is because the statement is executed before the condition is tested. Therefore, when you need the statement will be executed before the condition is tested, then you will use do while loop. That's all for today. I hope you understand now how to use do while loop. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.